Friends, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and today is April Showers Bring May Flowers collab. Our host is Deborah Krabas's Home Living, May Designs 105, all things design, all things home design, O, Taste, and C. Please check out their channels and everyone in the playlist for April Showers Bring May Flowers inspiration. Okay, here's our April Showers Bring May Flowers tablescape. Start out with a Hello Spring napkin. It has a little water can with flowers. Then our plate is from Walmart. It's a Pioneer Woman. Because nothing says gardening and flowers more than one of those beautiful plates. This is our white plate with a gold trim. It was from Hobby at Home after Christmas one year. This is Hobby Lobby charger plate. Amazon silverware. Hobby Lobby glass. Hobby Lobby dash hounds. Hobby Lobby picture. This sign is from Amazon. The table runner, I think I got that at Amazon too. These candles was Amazon, and the candle holders as at home. The flowers are Michael's. That rounds up our tablescape. Let me know what one thing reminds you of April Showers Bring May Flowers. Is it a flower that comes in bloom? Is it gardening? Let me know.